Hello. So I saw a really good question about how do we get a Google form or a Microsoft form for that matter into our course in the LMS. We are going to take a deeper dive into how to put media-rich content into the learning management system later on in Cool, but just for right now, in case anybody is interested in this information, I'm going to quickly show you how you can do this with a Google form. So right now I am in Google Forms and really quickly, there are a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So if you just need a starting point with Google Forms, this is a good option for you. Um, or you can choose a blank form, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it looks like they're offering you a tour. If this is your first time in Forms, that might be a good idea. I'm going to give it a title here. So I'm going to call this Icebreaker question. And then there are all different types of questions that you can put in here. This is just something to play with. You can see that you can do short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, of course, multiple choice. You can do something Likert type. These multiple choice grids, checkbox grid, that's something that's new because this is cloud-based. They're always adding new features. So just every time you pop in here, take a look around. And then there are other options here in your toolbar about importing questions and formatting and adding media. So you can add images, you can add videos. And then you can add sections, which is nice, especially if you're building something like a quiz. So maybe you have like a multiple choice section and a short answer section. You can do that here. So here I'm going to say, what is my question? I'm going to do it not multiple choice, but short answer. Tell me who you admire and why. Maybe I'll say admire the most and why. And then I'm going to share it. This is how I'm going to get it into my learning management system. So I can share it via email, which is a good option if your people do not already have a community built somewhere, like in a learning management system. You can do a link. So this is how you can create a hyperlink to your form, and you can embed that then into whatever content you create, an email, an announcement in your learning management system, a content page or item in your learning management system. Or, and this is what I typically lean toward if it's possible, wherever it is that I'm building my content, you can actually grab an embed code and embed it directly into the page. So that way, when your students are on that page, they can type directly into the form and submit it from there without having to navigate out of the learning management system. So those are just some things for you to play with, and I will also add a link to more detailed instructions on this.